Atomic K, Atomic K official on Twitter. Get on Facebook.